In this video, we will see how to create the website's header. What is the header? The header is essentially the top part of a website that is repeated on all pages. For example, we can find it on most websites containing the logo on the left and the classic navigation menu on the right. As we can see, this page does not have a header. Therefore, let's go ahead and create it. First, we access the website option on the sidebar on the left and then on global blocks. Global blocks are simply content that can be created once and then used on all the pages we want. In this case, for example, we click on Add and select Header as the type. As we can see, we will also have the option to select the footer, which is the same as the header, only it is at the bottom. Once the type is selected, Header Framework360 will understand that it needs to repeat this block that we are now going to create on all pages. As a title, we can simply call it Header here. We should add a row. Eventually, if we want to do it like in most websites, we could divide the row into two parts. Remember that the black one is the row that contains one or more columns, which are the blue ones. And the columns then contain one or more blocks, a bit like a Matryoshka doll. We click on the division into two columns. We can shrink this one a bit and extend this one. By doing so, we can place the menu on the right and the logo on the left. We click here and search for the logo. We drag the logo block, which will automatically add the logo of our website. On the right, instead, we can add, for example, the navbar block, which will add the classic navigation menu that we always find on websites. We click on Select Menu and then click on Main Menu. We can see that nothing is displayed here, because the menu does not yet contain any items. Let's save for now, and we can move on to the display options. Here we will have the option, Mapbar, to automatically display the global block on all pages, or select which pages should have this global block. Since it's a header, we are not interested in these display options, but we simply want every page of our website to show the header block. We see that there is no menu on the right. To create it, we can go directly to the menu, still under the website section, and enter the main menu that is automatically added by Framework360. And drag our pages from left to right. Let's drag just the home page, save, and go back to our global block, header. Here we can see that the home entry has been automatically added. Let's click on it again. And here we can add, for example, color settings or backgrounds to make our menu more appealing. For instance, here we see inactive items. We want them to appear in a dark color, while the active items, we want them to appear light. Since there is a white background, it's better to set them to dark even when they are active. Otherwise, it will be light gray on white and won't be very visible. Let's go to our website, refresh the page, and we will see that it has been added directly to From Framework360. Here, the menu has been added, which only contains the home entry. But if we go to create a new page, for example, we click Add and create the About Us page. Here we can add a demo text, for example. This is a demo text. Let's save it. We can already see that from the page builder, the header we created earlier is displayed. If we now go into our menu and also add the About Us page, dragging it from left to right, always making sure it is not set as a subpage, we save, and upon reloading the page, we will see that the item has been added. About Us of the second page. We click the Passed on the About Us item, and our page will appear with this demo text, but it will always repeat the header on all pages. We can do the same with the footer if we want it to be repeated. Usually, a copyright or legal resource items are placed directly at the bottom of all pages,